What is real health? Real health is more than just the absence of disease. It's a state of complete physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well being. True health comes from balance, awareness, and conscious living. Here is a deeper view of real health. 1. Physical health, a strong, well functioning body, proper nutrition, regular exercise, rest, and detoxification, not just treating symptoms but building resilience. 2. Mental health, clear thinking, focus, and emotional regulation, freedom from chronic stress, anxiety, and inner conflict, developing awareness of thoughts and beliefs. 3. Emotional health, ability to feel and express emotions honestly, emotional intelligence, understanding yourself and others, healthy relationships, love, and compassion. 4. Spiritual health, a deep sense of purpose and connection to life, inner peace, contentment, and presence in the now, living in alignment with your higher self or truth. In simple words, real health means living in harmony with yourself, others, nature, and existence. Here is a deep and beautiful explanation of what is real health according to Osho. Real health, according to Osho, health is not only a matter of the body, it is something deeper. A really healthy person is whole, body, mind, soul, all in harmony. That wholeness is holiness. Osho 1. Health is wholeness. Osho says real health is when your body, mind, and soul are in tune with each other. If the body is perfect but the mind is full of anxiety, you are not healthy. If the mind is calm but the soul is dry and disconnected, something is missing. 2. Not just absence of disease is not health. A negative definition is not enough. Health means a positive flow of energy, an overflowing joy, a deep harmony inside you. 3. Meditation is the real medicine. Osho believed that modern medicine treats symptoms, not the root. The real root of illness is disconnection from yourself, from nature, from the divine. When you meditate, your energy becomes aligned. Then diseases start disappearing on their own. 4. A joyful spirit is the sign of health. Health is felt when you wake up in the morning with lightness, gratitude, and readiness to live fully. The more alive you are, the more healthy you are. Aliveness is the touchstone. 5. Health is inner silence. When your inner being is silent, peaceful, and without conflict, real health arises. No tension, no division, no pretending, just being natural, spontaneous, and aware. Real health, according to Buddha, health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. Gautama Buddha 1. Health is inner peace. According to Buddha, real health begins with a peaceful mind. A person may have a strong body, but if the mind is filled with anger, greed, or delusion, there is no true health. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. 2. Disease comes from ignorance and desire. Buddha taught that suffering arises from ignorance and craving. This includes mental diseases like attachment, ego, jealousy, which lead to stress, conflict, and even physical illness. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. 3. Real health is balance. The middle path. True health is found in balance, not in indulgence or extreme control. Buddha called this the middle way: balanced diet, balanced rest and action, balanced thoughts and emotions, balanced view of self and world. 4. Compassion heals the heart. Buddha emphasized metta and karuna as medicines for the soul. A heart filled with compassion heals not just you, but those around you. Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal rule. 5. Meditation is a medicine. Through vipassana, insight, meditation, one becomes aware of body sensations, emotions, and thoughts without attachment. This awareness leads to liberation from mental defilements and deep healing. Conclusion. Real health according to Osho and Buddha. Osho's vision. Osho teaches that real health is not just physical, but a celebration of your total being, body, mind, soul, and spirit in deep harmony. It is found in joyful living, inner silence, and meditation. When you are natural, aware, and alive, you are truly healthy. Health is wholeness. The more you are in tune with your inner self, the more healthy you are. Buddha's vision. Buddha defines real health as freedom from suffering, dukkha. It begins with a peaceful mind, balanced life, and a heart full of compassion. Health is achieved by following the middle path, practicing awareness, and letting go of desire and ignorance. Health is the greatest gift. Peace of mind is a true foundation. Both Osho and Buddha agree that real health is inner harmony, not just outer fitness. Mind and awareness are key to healing. Meditation is the path to true well being. Health is when you live with clarity, love, balance, and freedom. Real health is not just a state of the body, but a deep alignment with your soul and existence. It is a state where you are at peace with yourself and the world. This isn't just a channel, it's a journey. A journey beyond thought, beyond boundaries. The infinity mind, for those who seek more than just information, for those who seek transformation. Subscribe now and awaken the truth within you.